Hello everyone, this video for you all 10th students, class 10th science bio chapter first, life process. What is life process? The essential life process include nutrition, metabolism, transportation, reproduction, excretion and respiration. What is nutrition? Organisms take food to produce energy and to perform differently body function like maintenance, growth, reproduction, fight against disease, etc. Nutrition is mainly of two types. Firstly, autotrophic and second, heterotrophic nutrition. What is autotrophic nutrition? Can make their own food through photosynthesis called producer, example grain plant. What is heterotrophic nutrition? Cannot make their own food as they don't have chlorophyll or can't trap solar energy and depend on other. As example, human being. There are three types of heterotrophic nutrition. Firstly, parasitic nutrition. Take food from the body of other organism by living on or in their body inside host body. As example, Plasmodium. What is saprophytic nutrition? Take food from dead and decaying organic matter of animals and plant. Digestion take place before ingestion and occur outside the body. As example, yeast, mushroom. What is holozoic nutrition? Ingest complex organic matter and the ingested food is digested and absorbed by the body cell. As example, amoeba. Nutrition in plants. Plants make their own food using sunlight, carbon dioxide from air, water from soil, and chlorophyll by photosynthesis. It involves three events: absorption of light energy by chlorophyll, conversion of light to chemical energy, reduction of carbon. Digestive system. Digestive organ start from mouth, followed by buccal cavity, pharynx, vasophagus, stomach, small intestine, along with liver, pancreas, and large intestine and anus. Small intestine is the extremely coiled structure. Numerous finger-like projections in the wall called villi increase the surface area for absorption of food. Respirations. All organisms break down organic compounds such as glucose in presence of oxygen, carbon dioxide, water, and energy are released. There are two types of respiration. First, aerobic respiration and second, anaerobic respiration. What is aerobic respiration? Breakdown of glucose occurs in the presence of oxygen in the cell. It occurs in mitochondria of many plants and animals, including humans. It occurs in two main steps: glycolysis and Krebs cycle. First, glycolysis. Breakdown of glucose into pyruvic acid, and then second, Krebs cycle. Complete breakdown of pyruvic acid, which release energy along with CO2 and water. Anaerobic respiration. Breakdown of glucose occur in absence of oxygen. Plants have low energy, need a large proportion of them are dead cells. Please like and subscribe my channel. And second, and then respiratory mechanism. It involves two steps: first inhalation and second exhalation. First inhalation, breathing in or take of air. Exhalation, breathing out of expel of air. Digestive mechanism. involves 5 steps for the ingestion, digestion, absorption, and assimilation and egestion. Salivary amylase present in saliva break down starch into simpler sugar. Small intestine help in fat digestion in presence of pancreatic juice, bile juice, and intestinal juice. Bile juice acts as an emulsifier in fat digestion while it is stored in gallbladder. Gastric juice are present in stomach which release in HCl, mucus, and protein digesting enzyme pepsin. What is HCl? HCl disinfect the food and help in the function of pepsin. HCl kill the bacteria. Mucus protect the inner lining of stomach from acid. Muscles of stomach wall help in the mixing of food. Respiratory organ is starting from nostril to lungs. First in nostrils, nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchus, and lungs. Okay. Lungs have cluster of minute balloon like structure called alveoli. What is transportation? Food, oxygen, and other essential substances are carried throughout the body through circulatory system. In unicellular animals, occurs through a simple process called diffusion. Transportation in plant helps in carrying the raw materials needed like water, carbon dioxide, etc. for photosynthesis. Food prepared by leaves. What is excretory product? Hormones. Translocations, metabolic products are transported from leaves to different part of the plant body. Transportation in humans. Well developed with specialized organ and the fluid. As example, blood and lymph. Also called double circulations, as blood passes twice through the heart in a complete cycle, it prevents mixing of blood. Components of transport. What is components of transport? Independent conducting system like xylem and phloem help in transporting the raw material and food. Xylem is made up of xylem vessels, xylem parenchyma, tracheids, and xylem fibers. Phloem is composed of sheath cells, companion cells, phloem parenchyma, and phloem fibers. Mechanism of transport. What is mechanism of transport? Xylem carries water and other dissolved substance from root to leaves. Phloem help in transporting the food material to different part of the plant. Ascent of sap or upward movement of water and other mineral help in transportations. Here we will start excretion in human. Help in removal of harmful substance. The excretory product in nitrogenous substance, urea or uric acid in the form of urine. In humans, skin also act as an excretory organ which remove water, salts and some amount of nitrogenous substance as sweat. Excretion in plant don't have any specific organ or organ system for excretion. In plant, oxygen is a waste product produced during photosynthesis. What is transpiration? Transpiration is the loss of water through aerial part of plant. And then excretory products are stored as resins or gums or rubbers through wastage directly into the soil sometimes. Excretory organs comprises of a pair of kidney, a pair of ureters, a urinary bladder, and a urethra. Each kidney is composed of millions of nephrons, also called the structure and functional filtration unit of kidney. And then excretory mechanism. What is excretory mechanism? The wastes are taken out from the blood by the filtration process in kidney. The four substances reabsorbed from initial filtrate are amino acid, glucose, salts and water. Thank you guys.